Welcome back, children. So we have learned how to write the place value and how to write it in expanded form. Now we are going to learn how to write in standard form, that is how to write in the normal number. You will be given the expanded form and you have to write that particular expanded notation in standard form, that is as a normal number with inserting commas. And then how to write the number name in Indian system. This you have already studied, you know how to write a number name. So we are going to learn these two topics, we are going to do some questions on that. Question 3. Write the following in standard form. Okay. So I will be giving you the expanded notation. First one, 60 lakhs plus 5 lakhs plus 40,000 plus 3,000 plus 200 plus 10 plus 1. Okay. So this is the expanded notation given to you. You have to write it in standard form, that is as a normal number. Now how to write? Before writing, what you do is, children, first you will write here the places, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. Just write like this and keep. You can do this in the working column. Now, we can start from the last. See, you have 1 here. That means 1 is coming in the ones place. So, I put 1 over here. Okay. Then you have 10. 10 means it is coming in the tens place. So, what is the digit that comes over there? Will you write 10 over there? No, you have to write a digit over there. What is the digit that you are going to write there? It will be 1. Okay. Then you have 200. That means it is coming in the hundreds place. Which digit will you write there? 2. You will write 2. So now your ones period is over. Ones, tens, hundreds. 3 places are over. You can put a comma. Now after that, what you have? Thousands place. Thousands place, you have a number there, 3,000. So 3 comes over there. Then 10,000s. Here you have the number 40,000. 40,000 comes in the 10,000s place. So you have 4 over there. So with that we finished our thousands period. Put a comma. Next you have 5 lakh. That means 5 is coming in which place? Lakhs place. So 5 comes here. Okay, children. Then you have 60 lakhs. That means 6 is coming in the 10 lakhs place. So 6 comes over here. So that was our first number. There is nothing to write in the crores place. So what is the number over here? 65 lakh 43,211. Okay, children. I am asking you to write like this. Why? Because sometimes in the expanded notation there will be not some places. So what you will do? You will get mixed up. You have a confusion where to put that particular digit. So that is why I am asking you all to write the place first and then you fill the place according to the question. And if you find any place vacant, immediately put a 0 over there. That's all. Understood? First you can do this in the working column and then you come and write the answer over here. Clear? I will show you one more question. First one, 8 crore plus 90 lakhs plus 3 lakhs plus 300 plus 20 plus 2. Okay children, so as before, first you will put ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. Now starting from the last digit, you have 2. 2 comes in the ones place. Then you have 20. 20 means that 2 is coming in which place? It comes in tens place. So again 2. Then you have 300. 300 comes in which place? 3. It comes in the hundreds place. So you are finished with our ones period. Put comma. Now, what is the number before 300? It is 3 lakh. So where is our thousands place? You don't have a number in the thousands place. You don't have a number in the 10,000s place. Thousands period is missing over there, isn't it? So what we will do in that case? We will put 0 in the thousands period. Thousands period, we know there are 2 places, thousands and 10,000s. So that 2 places are missing in the question. So we will put 0. With that the thousands period is over, comma. This is why I asked you to write the places on top, so that you don't miss any place. If you don't write like this and keep, immediately what you will do is, after writing this 3, you will put this 3 in the front. Where you go wrong. This 3 cannot come over here. This 3 is coming in the lakhs place because it is 3 lakhs. Understood? Our thousands and 10,000s place is missing. There is no number there, so we will put 0. Understood children? Then you have 3 lakhs. So 3 comes in the lakhs place. Then you have 90 lakhs. That 9 comes in the 10 lakhs place. So our lakhs period is completed. Then you have 8 crore. That comes under the crore place. Clear? So 8 crore, 93 lakhs, 322. Thousands period is missing. Clear children? So this is how you write in standard form. For your safety, first you write the places. You can do that in your working column. Find out the number. You go from the last. Fill up the places. If you don't get any number in that place, immediately put 0 and then you will get the standard form. Clear children? Shall show you one more question. 80 lakhs plus 9 lakh plus 30,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 2. So again, starting you write the places first. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. Okay. Starting from the last digit. Again, you have 2 there in the ones place. Clear? Then you have 20 there in the tens place. So 2 again in the tens place. Then you have 300. That is 3 in the hundreds place. Put a comma. Then comes thousands place. Thousands place is a place where you have 3 zeros. But before 300 you have a number with 4 zeros. So that means our thousands place the number is missing. Thousands place is a place where you have a number with 3 zeros. But you don't have a number with 3 zeros. So put 0. Then you have 30,000 that comes in the 10,000s place. 10,000s place is having 4 zeros. So 3 comes here. Don't write 30, you have to write 3, the first digit. Put a comma. Then you have the lakhs place. Lakhs place should have 5 zeros. You have a number with 5 zeros. So that is 9. Then 10 lakhs place is a place where you have 6 zeros. You have a number with 6 zeros, that is 8. So there is nothing in the crores place. So the number becomes 89 lakh 30,322. Clear children? So I will give you 2 questions for homework. 2 crore 8 lakh plus 7,000 plus 20 plus 8. There are many places missing over here, so be careful when you are writing the answer in standard form. 1 crore plus 100 plus 9. From the question itself it is understood there are many places missing over here. After crore you have gone to hundreds place, that means you don't have the lakhs place and you don't have the thousands period over here. 2 periods are missing. Again something is missing, find out and write out the number. Okay children? Now we are moving to the next question. Question 4. Okay, next question. Insert comma suitably and write each of the following numbers in words in Indian system. Okay, you will be given a number, you put commas according to the Indian system and you have to write the number name of that. First question. 9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. The number will be given to you like this. So how do you write, how do you put the comma according to the Indian system? I have told you, first you have the ones period is having 3 places, 1, 2, 3, comma. Then comes the thousands period, thousand period has 2 places, comma. Then you have the lakhs period. Now, how will you write the number name? You have to take according to the period. This is our lakhs period. Lakhs period you have to read the number together. Don't read it as 9, 10 lakhs and 8 lakhs, nothing. You have to read it as 98 lakh, 98 lakh. Then you have the thousands period. So, read it together. 65,000, 65,000. Then you have the ones period, read it together, 432. You don't have to write 432, just write 432. Understood children? You don't have to write 98 lakhs, 65,000. You don't have to put plural over there. You don't have to write S. Just write like this: 98 lakh 65,432. And don't write an and in between also. Okay. This is how you write in number name. Question B. Question B. Again, put a comma according to the Indian system. You have here ones period, 3 places. Then you have the thousands period, 2 places. Lakhs period, 2 places. And you have the crores period starting with crore. So, first crore, 6 crore. Then lakhs period, read it together, 54,000. Thousands period, there is no number, so you can leave it. Then you have ones period, 301. 301. 1. Understood, children? So, I will give you questions for homework. Okay, so you will insert the comma according to the Indian system and write the number name. Okay, children? Thank you.